Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. So, today we're going to be taking a look at some short hairstyle ideas that slay. First up, we have this pixie makeover. I love the color sprinkled in here. Cute little pixie with the curls, and most of the color is at the top of the hair, which really adds some interest overall to the style. So cute. Oh, I like that outfit too. So moving on to look number 2, we have a transformation from crew cuts. So the client starts off with these long dreadlocks. She's probably been growing that hair for years. And she big chops and gets some color. I love it when I see that. Double duo for sure. So she ended up getting a tapered natural curly cut with this beautiful reddish brown color. Now the color definitely makes her skin tone pop. Look at that. Oh yes, that eats. That is just so cute. Makeup looks so beautiful too. Nothing too heavy, just natural hues. Gorgeous makeover. Next up, we have another pixie in the works. Beautiful. I love the color combo here too. It's like a honey blonde mix. She has a design going there in the back, followed by another pixie. Gorgeous all black pixie style. And then we have somebody switching up their hair. So she took off that wig. She got this chocolate brown pixie style. Oh, nice. I just took 30 years off. So you can see she's kind of got alopecia going there. Hair looks broken off and sparse in some places. Stylist immediately begins working her magic, cutting off the hair. Looks like she got it colored too. She's getting her eyebrows done. She looks so relaxed. She looks like she's like taking a nap. Ooh, this came out beautiful. So she went with the chocolate coloring as well. And then we have someone here with hair around shoulder length. So let's see what the stylist ends up doing with the hair. Client definitely looks like she's nervous. Oh, I mean, she pretty much just curled the hair. I mean, obviously she washed it and, did all that. But, I mean, her hair pretty much looked the same. Looked like she got a little bit of a trim here. Oh, look how volumized. Very pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.